Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see how many day trades on Robinhood. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch up the Robinhood app, and to check your day trade count on Robinhood, then you just navigate to the investing settings. So you can come here, the bottom right, click on account, you'll see these options here, and from here I want you to access the app settings. So tap here on settings with the gear cog, and then once you go ahead and access that, you can go ahead and navigate to investing. So if we come here to investing, you will see day trade settings here. And for day trade settings, I want you to tap on that. And then here you'll see your day trades, total account value here, how many trades you have used. And in this 5-day period, we have 2 day trades remaining. So you can come and check them here. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.